Uchiase Eric Makanga 01@gmail.com. Boigo mbabwate ribaga ryukwege kachigari utariwakanira. Iryogo soa asamorokereyo abanta banene nigo bagwakana shilingi 150 na boigo abane 100 yoka. Agira bwango bwenyorere ribaga na boigo gwikira nororo asama tukayo iryubwe manya mange na boigo emerobiri bekire iryogo sukabushi.
Ni jagot.
Enjar.
Yoban.
Nantangi tukotumia kinemio.
Asik.
Pusa igo pusa mama toko gende.
Chitariki ne meronge bere na nye mutenyo kominomo umaka wichibere emeronge bere nesato Chinsa ni gochara gire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono baso chingaki ngoko manya aliankwari kanetie ayuage abeire ka okoreka na ase umubaso orero ireteria ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo tukubata nere Joshua Auta oyo kanekinga kwanyamanyire ase nchira yemenyererio nere John kebati okanekinga mario gine chibicha awikere ase nchirere yo wikirano. Ibere abana amona bari mokorwa ase chiskuru imeyense nigo bagendrete gochingera amatokeo abo a KCPE ayo abwatugetwe igoro aritukuri igoro no mawaziri wechiseme Ezekeri Machogo ase SGSMO ye county ya Kisii nigo chiskuru chiria cha serikali charolekanire koba egati chiskuru chiri cha koretebuya ase amatemayo yomwerio a KCPE ase skuru ya Kenya Binge eyo egotoka ase ewodi ya Kitutu Central imeye county ya Kisii nigo bono barnomogoko ase aborokiwa korwa ase skuru eyo ya serikali kokora buya kigima ase omwana omotangani abwate amaxi chiminye na 15 ase bono omwana boigo ose ase skuru eyo babeire bakomenta minisco ase goina goikia chimisato na 15 ase amatuka maiga nigo konya babwate minisco ya chimibere 50 mo na 5 nomo.
I scored splendid marks, that is 402. I least expected this. For now, I don't have words to express my enthusiasm. Only to thank the Almighty God for this and the hard work of the teachers and the cooperation of the parents.
Nashukuru Mungu kwa kuwa aliniwezesha nikaweza kupata marks nzuri yenye naweza endea shule nzuri.
Mwana yombado kupata marks 402 mutangani. Ya jagete pipi wani sukuru weye. Tuata nere kutira paka bana segre class 8. Sense ya discipline. Without the discipline ntwale wekaga. Discipline is the key to success. Igabana bane bare kwero discipline from BB1 mpaka class 8.
Gotu abwate 266 eminisco. Kono tu amentete gotu abwate deviation plus to amentete max 49.41. Kono gotu abwate minisco ya 315.87.
Maiga ye kalenda y'omuroberi obwa masomo 844 okoera ase chiskuru choboroso imeyense ya Kenya nigo bono abalimu batebire buna nigo omuroberi yo 844 orenge omuya kigima korende nonya nabo nigo batebuna nigo bono bakwaligania omuroberi o CBC oyo bono ogochikoira libaga lya bene ase chiskuru choboroso imeyense ya Kenya kaukwana nabaliki bamangana korwase skuru ya kadi eyo gotoka Amayia County ya Kisii umwalimu monene abwe skuru eyo obedi nere maseno nigatebire buna nigo abaloki waba kolete buya ase skuru eyo asomaloki umutangani abwate amaxi chiminye nabo igo nigatebire buna nigo bawochi kwaregania omorobero OCBC bene ase chiskuru.
Now, the 844 system was good at the inception because it had the practicals, it had all those things, but as we went by, it turned out to be exam-oriented, which I think the CBC is out to address. And hopefully, once we are provided with enough materials and enough infrastructure, enough human resource, then we are going to produce children who can be dependent on themselves. 844 kind of really looked at the summative evaluation, where a child life was determined by one exam at the end of 8 years. But with the CBC, once it gets fully on the rollout, I think then will be good because then a child can be assessed what they call the formative evaluation, where they'll be getting their assessment as they move on. We have had cases where a child does very well, but at the end of the day, maybe on their final exam, maybe they are taken ill or they get an accident or something, and then the 8 years goes down the drain. But I think from the way the CBC is set, once those marks keeps accumulating, then this child can be placed where they actually belong and the talents will be exploited.
Eskuru ya Academy ya Embassy ejo gotoka ase Chinsa cha Nyamata Amayia County ya Kisii nigo bono baleno mogoko ase boroki gwakorwa askuru ejo gokora buya ase amatemabo yo mwerio ya KCPE konengana na abalimu na abaibori beskuru ejo nigo aboroki wabo bakorete buya kigima kubwa amatuko amaiga nigo omwana omutangani ase skuru ejo abwate amaxi chiminye amona 10 ase omo mwerio abwate chimisato amona 3 nabo igo nigo bate kurengana umwalimu omane ase skuru ejo nigatebire buna nigo bamentete ase nsemeri ye minisco ase amatuka maiga babwate chimisato 55 nabire ase bono bamentete nagoikia minisco ye chimisato 52 na 3 nigo boigo mwalimu ojo atebire buna ne chimbwa chingia nabo igo kubwatira na egati ya borokiwa amona baiboli yagerire bakolire buya ase eskuru ejo.
My name is Obed Omonyi from Kisii Embassy Academy. Today I'm very happy, although my expectations were higher. 438 was my expectation to break the record of this school, but although this God's plan, I am so happy to be the top student in Embassy, and I am planning to join Starehe High School for my further studies. And I would like to tell other students that where they are the best worldwide.
Na abaibori bonse nko batebinga mbia mono abaibori baitu babire bagotu support sana arabu oche abalimu baitu babire bagosomia abana buya bakore syllabus mapema twachaka revision ya mapema ekene kikiagerira abana baitu baitire and above all amasaba na arabeire gento kiengenja ase skuru yaitu kirengaki twabire togosaberu na aba pastor mo father na abaibori baitu babire bagotusabera so twamwakere Nyasaye ngambi ya mono na ntwamaitenga wetira sa ebintu twabire togokora na abana baitu babire ne discipline sege songongo te balenga discipline and academics is like they are like identical twins so byabire bigotokonya bana babire bago BF buya ekigionsi kiabire kiagerira abana baitu banyarire gweta se enjirere ngi ya mono.
Omokonyi bomora ebwenseri katika shagwa nigo are asense ya Equatorial Guinea ase agochikomo wakirisha omora ibwense Dr. William Ruto ase egeikaro kya Africa Union of 10 ekikegosira obwamate obwechinse gose United Nations Security Council kashagwa nigo aigete ase ense yo abugoro maragoba ase aigete getige chindege kya Obiangingwe mamba sogo de Mongo Meyen ekegotoka ase Chinsa cha Jibolo abono ase areganetiwe no mo first prime minister Clementa Ngema amona baraibande korwa ase serikali yense eyo boigo amokonyi bwo monene ase chimission ase Addis Ababa George Nkwanya amona acting commissioner imeya Buja James Nyongesa negati yabarai bari bamwareganetie Gashagwa nigo Gashagwa kwa arachi kubakwanira abarai ikorwa ase obomo bwa United Nations agose obomo bwechinse chinde ribaga ria Dr. William Ruto. Emebere y'abana babere abo basiretiye amagimabo aseri bwago imeye county ya Nairobi nigo bono yatokire nigo abana abo basiretiye amagimabo chingaki barenge gochesa ase mwana yomo achite gwesibe amagoro aseri bwagerio asabete kakugwa amacha yume nabayigo oyo mwabo chingaki achite gotema kokonya nigo bono nere atereretie na kugwa ase eri bwagerime kolengana no mu SPD wense meyo Recho Kemboi nigo banyorete oroboti igoro yokugwa kwa banabo aseri bwagerio egento kyabairete kumyoka asense meyo gotema kubatoria kulende bakanyora nigo basirire ase bakorete omokya bokorigia emebere y'abanabo ase bono banyorire gose banyorire emebere yo yonsi nigo boigo akire abamenye bense meyo mbuya ase ogotema kubwatrana ne serikali erio kwene kinga abatoririe emebere gose banyorire emebere y'abanabo nabo igo niga bamenye bense meyo bagikeire eserikali ase ensemo yo gotiga wazi ensemo yeri bwagerio ase batebna nigo rire asabe mono nabo igo komoche serikali ase gotabeka oborendi bweseine ase enseme yo yeri bwago ase baganirie bone serikali kwene kinga nkogitera bareri bwagerio gose korisieka.
Nisikia walikuja hapa kucheza, walikuwa watoto wanne, watoto wa dadangu watatu na mmoja rafiki yao. Sasa ule mdogo ndiye alikuja akaingia akasema hao walikuwa na matope. Sasa nao akaenda akateresa akaanguka. Ndugu yake mkubwa au anaitwa Dennis naye akasema muokoe. Hata yeye akateresa akaanguka. Huyu mwingine wakati aliona brother wao ameanguka yeye akasema kama mkubwa yake ameshindwa yeye wacha apatie atafute usaidizi.
Tulipata information kuwa kuna watoto wamedrown kwa maji na tuliweza kuja hapa na jana tukaweza kuretrieve mwili moja ambapo ilikuwa ni mtoto wa grade 7 and all of them they are brothers. So leo tumeamkia asubuhi, luckily tumeweza kuretrieve the young guy, grade 5 child by the name Joseph Maina, and I would like to thank the local divers who wametusaidia sana ambapo tumeweza kupata mwili wa huyo mtoto.
embura yelnino ejwegendrete gotua chinsemo a imeyense ni gobono ya teneniri obasombi ase chi county ase e county ya Tana River ni gobono ya teneniri obasombi kolengana no mugavana we county yo dadogo dana ni gatebire buna ni go parate go separate ye goeteka ojia ase e county yo ni gobono atebire buna abonchirya bale bakora ebiashara ase e county yo ni gobono bateneine asikiri parate yo egoswa gose asitayora nyane goswera goika e county yo nabo igo bali barasi county yo tibari kunyara gosoka asikiri ninga amache asombire chipara chi county yo.
Jambo ambalo kwa natafuta kwa niaba ya wafanyabiashara wa Tana River, kuna wasiwasi kwa sababu barabara zote kuingia Tana River kwa jumla zote saizi hazifikiki. Mlisikia vile nizungumza kwamba barabara imekatika, na hofu zaidi ambayo tuko nayo saizi ni kuhusu vyakula kuingia Muja, Tahola, Hola, Gaseni, Bura na madawa. Hizo ndio matatizo ambayo tuko nayo. Kwa hivi sasa hakuna taharuki kubwa, lakini wakati ikiendelea tunaona kwamba kutakuwa na shida zaidi.
Normally is 2% of, but that's 132 million. Now we are into emergency. Emergency again is almost the same. And what we are happy a bit that now we received money today. Actually, disbursement has been done today. Around the 10 billion money the government is talking about. What we have gotten as a county is 557 million, which we have to use in the different vote heads, including emergency, pay the DRM contractors and the rest of them.
Mugavana we county ya Nyeri Mutaikahiga ni gobono abeire egati ya bagavana bali babeire bakumocha eserekari asokoteba muna nigo yabwatukire chibesa gocha se county echo chibekire nsemo gokonya embura yerinino gosabantu bali bakirwe nembura yerinino kolengana na Mutaikahiga nigatebire buna nigo abantu bagenderete gwakwa no mochando yo bwembura yerinino ase county yo ya Nyeri ase chinsemo chinde charolekanire kwanyoka amaraba egento bono abolirie serikali gukora chinkwano amone barasairi ya bagavana ase korawa no mugavana we county ya Kirinyaga ani Waiguru gukora chinkwano bene na gukora omochando yo erinde babwatoke chibesa echo chira chikokonya aba Kenya.
Kind of tag between the national government and the county governments on matters disaster management and with the floods that are taking place everywhere in this country. I want to make it very clear that as a county government and as county governments, we have not received any funds from the national government for mitigation of the disaster issues. We have not received a cent. Instead, what the National Treasury has is that it owes counties, Nyeri included, 62.6% billion in undisbursed equitable share. What we would want to ask national government is to release these funds because they are held by National Treasury. These are the funds that we could use to mitigate on the issues that are, you know, right now, I don't know who told me that if you look at Mokoroine, we have some cases where already it is shaky. We have a problem out there. We are anticipating landslides. There is nothing we can do except move people to higher areas. In Gakawa, we already have about 3 dams that have broken. The spillways have been damaged. And therefore, I would want to reiterate what was said by the Chair Council of Governors on matters concerning the release of funds. We would want to ask national government to look each other in the eye and speak the truth.
Mwancho murigere noro mwerio bwa mangana maya asenchera yowenge chikoraga Chinsa ikomi ningirane kumanya asenchera yowenge ayaragendete wateka imena isikoyora gongorwa Gusii twara oborigererio buya imeya Ndizi TV na wo bwansu bo Gusii editaria ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo tobata nere Joshua Auta oyo kunyamanya asenchera yebimanyererio nere John Kibati oyine kingamaro gene chibiche awekere asenchera erengi kerano.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bwo Gusii. Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigereria kurochi county Isano na Ibere echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti Isano na Ibere inya isato Isano nemo Ibere isato Isano na isato Isano na Ibere eyemo elio togwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira ase nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bwo Gusii. Omurubuli okubwatya nigo kurigererwa n'ebigori byonsi.
Nase omoroberi obobore minobonda ekereto kubataria goika twabaira imeya makuri twabaira sebitunwa twabaira sebitongo ekereto gutara abaremi twemanya ngana rari babwate elinderio ayo murigereria bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV kwemanya ogoro yo moroberi yigana boigo kwanyara ko gusanga amona intu elikuwa manyangi kegendrete imeyo omoroberi obobore minobonda kwamanya ninkiyoga ne irigotuga nkikeriyoga ne irikorema na ende meroberi kirio bonete kubwatia igaseri tkolera na koletere goika imeyegesa yeremeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South asengo chikomotara omorimi yomo oyu tugete ornamental birds mwancho murira rigo minutinga chinyoni chiria ogotuga esengecho yo kwegokia igonto chikomanyanga na sekiere atugete chinyoni echiga na igoni gachi tugerete ime ye ploti asamenyete igon kingoteba no menya serandi na bokora oborimi no menya ndonsi na bokora oborimi ende likwegendereria ayebuna omorimi na wo konyora enibo yawo ya kira rituko to basa kusukanta ite totare amonae elinde nkoire igomna na gwikiriga iga no igita kiaye na igwire geitekega ntete nkoso iba kaime ende rio togende amonae tukwane na gusanga mange tanda gotari torane torara umulimito torenga nararia aliabwate na nditumanye nararia aliabwate elinde litumanye nga ornamental birds nchirichie chiga na kichibona takorokana na ndiki kelikega neiri elinde rio umulimito onyakro kumanya nga ornamental birds nchirichie chiga ntubwase ornamental birds ntubwate silky togotora chi bantam togotora chi aina ao ndachikumanya umulimito nchirichie chirie erabwate ende litunyakwa togusanga amonere igaso umulimito twamanya rene royo igana kibono Enoch
mbiyane kabisa umuraria
kwarorire umwanche murigerie kana gotebinga ornamental birds na chichiga igomno kwarore ntimatu sono kwate ngoko moekoro kana buniriga igibwata mario nyukubwana ikebusi kolende nengoko andi yende nirega iga korangano ane iga korange yenke ene nirega iga amario nya eni gare okubona ikebusi kolende nego erengoko ayi tutunyamanya imeyo morobori bobori minobonda akero gotobwati agwetera ase metando yetu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na wana otomera SMS gwetera senambe yo erase screen ya ugabo ende tunyakoma togosangana gukwana amange igona bagotomera gosena gotobwati ase website yetu na www.ndizitv.net ende tusange na kwemanya amange igoma morobori bobori minobonda na twanchakire bene torega iga ase asomo limito tetara manyanga hereningo nandiga yanga itore
nche yonka kwa eno omoyo yondo mwarimu ngosomi yake yo secondary ngosomi chemistry na biology ninganji to buremi
manji to buremi igokuru asobwarimu gochi asoburemi na ndi tali mwarimu wa agriculture igono igwete ntaito mbwati buyo mwacho murigereria tali mwarimu wa agriculture no mwarimu wa chemistry na biology kolende ni gago tugacingo kwa tika tebyango hakingi kegeta agatuga cingo kichiga chire chia madoido cingo ko tugesenge chiro kwegokia cingo ko cingie kigima kora tebyango ndi gwachage to burimi oboiga
nyuma ntarate bandi na chage to burimi obo ekaruna arenge ko primary secondary ko tira ngo twana arenge cingo ko lakini ekarega na ko university ane na achire isko achanganya Legas nyake yo 2014 ngabake ninganyite kunya kuligereri Facebook ngara chingo gechi kango sana ngateba tika fence in asoko tuka these birds itangani na amade osino ornamental birds lakini karuna chake kunya kuligereri ga Facebook ngora ngara ornamental birds chingo ko tuka chibwate kienyikia onekero chigorerete chikorosi riskulia kana buya kabisa nga venture in as from 2020 ngakeria corona was before corona na lina chigorete kolende na chagete neji njiro tingao exito chikubwatha chingao chikoro kuchiporish na jina chakirito gutuga lakini aseji eche na ichako yuko chituga korwo mwaka 2022
bona kwereserigo chitaipungo bachiro chingao au na ndekero ase ornamental birds chinyoni chigo tugwa sengecho yo kwego kia gukero guchiririo kwego kia maiso